Hello, welcome to Astronautics for Exploit. This is Dr. Ayashala Ogundele. Circular economy technologies, a range of solutions aimed at minimizing waste and maximizing resource utilization. The focus points are as follows: importance of circular economy and circular economic technologies. Over many decades, circular economic concept has been studied and researched immensely by the academia, government, private companies, and business owners. Presently, it is opening a new market prospect and increasing consumption sustainability. Transitioning to circular models requires significant investments in new technologies, infrastructure, and supply chains. The concept is a departure from the traditional linear economic model based on a take, make, consume, throw away pattern to large quantities of cheap, easily accessible materials and energy. Since 2010, circular economy has become a global movement. Circular economic technologies encompass a range of solutions that aim to minimize waste and maximize resource utilization within the economy. Examples of circular economic technologies are artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, big data and analytics, blockchain, reverse logistics, and a host of others. Artificial intelligence is significantly improving our ability to monitor our environment. For example, machine learning algorithms can analyze satellite images to detect changes in ecosystem. An example of this is deforestation or coral bleaching. Digital platforms are crucial for waste reduction within the circular economy, facilitating connections between businesses and individuals in order to promote sharing, renting, and recycling, thus extending product life cycles and minimizing waste. The platforms leverage technology for the optimization of resource utilization. Importance of circular economy. The circular economy offers a sustainable alternative to the traditional linear take, make, dispose model and thereby minimize waste and resource depletion and promote economic growth and environmental protection. By prioritizing reuse, recycling, and renewable resources, circular economy helps to reduce pollution, lowers carbon emissions, and creates new business opportunities. Various recycling processes for transitioning to a circular economy is shown in this picture. Reduction of waste and pollution. A circular economy minimizes waste generation by designing products for durability, reuse, and recyclability, keeping materials out of landfills and the environment. By reusing materials and promoting the use of renewable resources, it reduces the strain on finite natural resources and minimizes the need for resource extraction. End of life and recycling process for circular economy is shown in this picture. Circular economic technologies are Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, digital platform, additive manufacturing, bio-based materials, blockchain, big data and analysis, eco-design, reverse logistics, and upcycling. Artificial intelligence is significantly improving our ability to monitor the environment. For example, the machine learning algorithms is able to analyze satellite images in order to detect changes in ecosystems. Example is deforestation. Artificial intelligence can help to facilitate transition to a circular economy where resources are reused and recycled instead of being discarded. Example is found in AI able to improve waste sorting for recycling and help design products that are easy to recycle. Industry 4.0 solutions for circular economy is shown in this picture. Waste management. In electronic waste management, AI assists by identifying what they are, disassembling them, and recovering their useful parts. AI, with its ability to analyze large, enormous amount of data and predict patterns, can help identify environmental problems before they become crises. In addition, it can optimize resources, reduce waste, and improve energy efficiency. AI-driven circular economy is shown in this picture. Various benefits of Internet of Things in the circular economy are: it provides data-driven solutions in proactive decision-making, which supports circular and ethical business practices. It allows integration of smart objects into the business ecosystem. A circular by design IoT architecture drives data harvesting. It helps prolong the usage stage of products, improves estimations of the remaining lifetime of products in use. It helps eliminate waste, circulate materials, and regenerate nature. IoT and the circular economy is shown in this picture. Data is the fuel that is collected or shared by an IoT-enabled device. 5G-enabled sensors in such devices produce large amounts of data that are collected by an organization for predictive analytics, advanced decision-making, machine learning projects, tracking, and maintenance and repair. Analyzing large datasets can identify areas for improvement in resource utilization, waste reduction, and circular product design. Data science applications in circular economy is shown in this picture. Blockchain. Blockchain technology can significantly enhance waste reduction efforts and promote a circular economy by improving transparency, traceability, and efficiency across the supply chain. It enables tracking materials from origin to disposal, facilitating reuse, recycling, and reduction in reliance on virgin resources. Blockchain creates a secure and transparent record of a product. Application of blockchain in circular economy is shown in this picture. These platforms are very crucial for waste reduction within a circular economy, thereby facilitating connections between businesses and individuals in order to promote sharing, renting, and recycling, thereby extending product life cycles and minimizing waste. Digital tools such as product lifecycle management systems enable businesses to track products from design to disposal, identification of opportunities for repair, upgrade, and recycling. Digital platforms as marketplaces for the circular economy is shown in this picture. Additive manufacturing builds products by adding material layer by layer, precisely where needed. Unlike subtractive manufacturing that cuts away excess material, this minimizes leftover material scraps, especially crucial for expensive or rare materials. AM enables creation of parts with features that facilitate disassembly and component reuse. It can be used to repair and remanufacture existing products. The picture here illustrates concept of additive manufacturing and how it supports circular economy. Bio-based materials play a crucial role in waste reduction and support principles of circular economy by offering sustainable alternatives to traditional materials derived from fossil fuel. Linear take-make dispose model enable a shift from a linear take-make dispose model to a more regenerative system. Schematic representation of a sustainable bioeconomic system is shown in this picture. Bio-based materials can be designed for durability, reuse, and recyclability, thereby promoting a circular approach to product life cycles. By utilizing renewable resources and promoting closed-loop systems, bio-based materials contribute to a reduction in greenhouse gas emissions, waste generation, and pollution. Adoption of circular economic principles that can help in reducing negative impact on natural resources is shown in this picture. Reverse logistics facilitates return of products from consumers or retailers, allowing for repairs, refurbishment, or remanufacturing. It is essential for circular economic models like product as a service, where manufacturers retain ownership of products and are responsible for their maintenance and end-of-life management. Illustration of reverse logistics in the use of circular economy is shown in this picture. Eco-design is another circular economy technology. Eco-design encourages the use of fewer materials, materials with a lower environmental impact, and materials that can be easily recycled or composted. This reduces the overall amount of waste generated and minimizes the need for extracting new resources. Eco-design principles enable innovative business models such as product as a service. The picture here illustrates eco-design concept of circular economy. Upcycling diverse materials from landfills and incinerators, reducing the volume of waste that needs to be managed. By finding new uses for discarded items, upcycling thereby minimizes the need for raw material extraction and processing, further reducing waste. Upcycling directly supports circular economic concepts by keeping materials in use for as long as possible, reducing waste and promoting resource efficiency. Upcycling waste plastic and biomass is shown in this picture. For more information, contact Astronautics for Experts. You've been listening to Circular Economy Technologies, a range of solutions aimed at minimizing waste and maximizing resource utilization by Dr. Aishola Ogundele, with a focus point importance of circular economy and circular economy technologies. Thank you.